Welcome to the exciting journey of parenthood and childcare. You are on My Baby Fitness. It's time to get stronger. Hey there, amazing birth partners. Are you ready to rock this birth experience alongside your incredible partner? Today, we're diving into a topic that often gets overlooked but is so important: the hospital bag checklist for partners. We want to make sure you're fully prepared to provide unwavering support and be the superhero your partner needs. Let's jump right in. First things first, pack comfortable clothing for yourself. Opt for loose-fitting clothes that allow ease of movement and breathability. Remember, labor can be a lengthy process, so you'll want to be as comfortable as possible. A couple of extra pairs of underwear and socks are also handy for those long hours at the hospital. Labor can be an energy-consuming event for both you and your partner. Pack some nutritious snacks and plenty of water to keep you energized and hydrated. Granola bars, fruit, nuts, and sports drinks are excellent options to keep your energy levels up. Don't forget to bring a refillable water bottle as well. While your main focus will be supporting your partner, there might be downtime during labor. Pack some entertainment options to keep yourself occupied during those moments. A book, magazine, or even a tablet loaded with movies or shows can help pass the time. Additionally, consider bringing a deck of cards or a board game to engage with your partner during breaks. Maintaining personal hygiene is important, especially during a hospital stay. Pack your toiletry essentials, such as a toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, and any grooming items you typically use. A travel-sized shampoo and body wash can be handy for freshening up when needed. It's important to feel refreshed and confident throughout the process. Being the birth partner means providing physical and emotional support to your partner. Consider packing items that can help with comfort and relaxation techniques. A soft pillow or cushion, massage oil, a handheld fan, or stress relief tools like stress balls can all contribute to creating a soothing environment for your partner. Staying connected with loved ones and keeping them updated during the labor and delivery process is crucial. Bring your mobile phone, charger, and any necessary communication devices. This way, you can easily communicate with family and friends and capture special moments with your newborn. As the birth partner, your presence and support are vital during this transformative time. By packing these essential items in your hospital bag, you'll be well prepared to provide comfort and assistance to your partner. Remember, every birth experience is unique, so feel free to customize the list based on your personal preferences. If you found this video helpful and empowering, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content on parenting and being an incredible birth partner. Share your own tips and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, take care, stay strong, and get ready to rock that delivery room. You may catch us on. Stay curious and stay informed.